business hunters. Today, I want us to take a critical look at this model of business, crypto arbitrage and crypto trading. Are they legit or a kind of advanced gambling? That's what I want us to x-ray in this video today. Stay tuned. Or if you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you can receive notification whenever I upload videos. That's the favor I want you to do. And whatever you have, if you're somebody who has experience in crypto trading and crypto arbitrage, I want you to share your experience in the comment below. Let us hear you and know exactly your stand in regards to the question I asked earlier. Is it a legit business model or a kind of advanced gambling that only those with high IQ and those with technology that can win? That's what I want us to be talking about in this video. But before I go on with this video, I want to quickly read something about gambling. I just want us to read what gambling is before we go ahead to talk about this crypto arbitrage and crypto trading. So let us launch into what Wikipedia says about gambling before we go into this tutorial properly, this video properly. Look at what Wikipedia says about gambling. Gambling is the wagering of something of value on an event with an uncertain outcome with the intent of winning something else of value. Gambling does require three elements to be present. One, consideration, risk, and a price. That is what Wikipedia defines of gambling. So I want us to delve into our topic of discussion, which is a crypto arbitrage and crypto trading. That's what I want us to talk about right now. Okay, if you look at crypto arbitrage, what is crypto arbitrage? Crypto arbitrage is a model of business where you have two platforms, two or more platforms, where you compare prices, in which you buy cryptocurrency from a particular platform that is a little bit cheaper than the rest, and you go over to the other platform which the price is higher and you sell over there. That is what is called crypto arbitrage. You're going to have two or three platforms. Any one that is cheaper, you buy from there. Then you head over to a platform that is selling high and you sell your cryptocurrency there and you make money from there. That is a arbitrage, a crypto arbitrage. Then crypto trading is a kind of peer-to-peer transactions. Let's say you have an account with a particular trading platform where you have an account and that account is funded. As you're placing your trade at this end, another person who also has the same account in the same platform is also, or another platform is also going to place his trade against your trade. Is a kind of peer-to-peer transactions between the two of you. It will take one person to win. It will take two of you cannot win at the same time. If you place two trades are paired against each other, somebody must lose for another person to win. So some people use technology for trading. When they put hedge against loss and all of that, yeah, they still lose. It is just a little kind of protection that they put, that some platform are putting. Let me share my experience. A couple of years ago, I dabbled into this particular it's actually forex trading. It wasn't crypto at that time. Cryptocurrency has not emerged at that time. So I decided to open an account. I created an account and I funded that account. I started trading. I wouldn't want to mention that particular platform, but it's a platform that is resided in UK. I started trading on that platform. I can tell you categorically that it is a hell of gambling. My experience was so bad. It was a hell of gambling. You're going to place a trade against somebody who is also placing a trade at the other end. So when the price is going up, you're going to sell. When the price go low, you buy at the lowest point. And when the price is going up, I can tell you categorically that you are not going to, there is no way you're going to know exactly when the price is crashing down. So I tried this for several days. I discovered that this thing is pure gambling. It's actually gambling because there is an uncertainty that is attached to it. I am not saying that some people are not winning. I can tell you that categorically that there is no one that is trading forex today, or no way, there is nobody that is trading forex today, or nobody that is trading cryptocurrency today that has the accuracy of 100% to know whether the trade he has placed is going to win. Most times they come up to screenshot and show you the one they have won, but nobody is going to show you the one that they have lost. They lost. So that uncertainty is always there. When you invest something that you are not too sure, there is uncertainty, just like Wikipedia rightly defined gambling here. So there is no better definition of gambling than cryptocurrency trading. Let us read that particular gambling definition again. Gambling is the wagering of something of value on an event with an uncertain outcome with the intent of winning something else of value. Gambling does require three elements to be present: consideration, risk, and a price. So when you go into trading platform, exactly what you are saying, this definition that you're seeing here is exactly what is happening on that platform. I'm saying it because I have done trading in the past some years ago, like 10 years ago, I did trading and I know what I'm actually talking about. It is pure gambling. Trading is pure gambling. If anybody deceive you because they use technology, maybe use a script to put a hedge against loss and all of that, yes, people are still losing. So there is an uncertainty that is attached to, okay, look at the way crypto has been fluctuating. People have been losing money. They invest today to just like a bubble. Tomorrow it goes up. The next day it crashes down completely. That is exactly what has been happening over the years. But I am not saying that some people are not winning and making millions from it. It is a gamble, just the same way as gambling. Some people will always win for some people to lose. So that is the point here. So in the case of crypto arbitrage, I look at it in this direction that arbitrage is not that gambling per se. You are buying from a platform where they are selling at a lower price, and you head over to another platform where they are selling higher. Then you sell over there. So there is that certainty that, okay, you have already weighed the two platforms, compare them, placing them side by side to know which one is lower, which one is higher. So as you're buying from the lower with a platform where the price is lower, you are heading straight to the platform where the price is higher to sell over them. So arbitrage to me, it is not a gambling per se, but trading itself, where you are pairing two traders together, one at the other end, you as the end at your platform. If you do not lose, the other person will not win. It is purely gambling. That's my take. It is just my personal opinion. What I'm saying here is just my personal opinion and my personal experience that I've had while trading. So that's all I have in this video. Thank you for watching this video to this point. Let me hear you in the comment below. Whatever you feel about what I just said about cryptocurrency, crypto arbitrage, and crypto trading. Let me hear you in the comment below. Thank you.